kurwo mu ishomero rya Kabatereine Memorial Primary School ryaho mu Rembo Rwambarra kandi aba beja kutuganira akwetegeka nintekateka ngo buri yomwe aine bitekateko bye akwetegeka nk'abana bato tumanya ngo bo bakwija kuba ihangarira nchakare nawe cyo bashemeye kumanya ihangara rikorga bito ubuntu bo baramanye ahiratore reka babanze be bakweyanjure na bwanyuma batugaburire icyo bateretera reka tutandije nogo.
My name is Aaron in P7 from Kabatereine Memorial School.
My name is Nimsima Tracy Blessed. I'm in primary 7. I'm from Kabatereine Memorial School.
My name is Ashaba Bram from grade 7 of Kabatereine Memorial School.
My name is Ashaba Elizabeth Choma. I'm from grade 7 from Kabatereine Memorial School.
My name is Awuza Daki Zabs. I'm from Kabatereine Primary School. I'm in primary 7.
So I will start with you. So what do you think about independence whenever you hear that word?
Independence, what I understand of it, it means the state of being free from colonial rule. Like many years ago, some people, like me who was not yet born, but I studied about the history, they already said that the people came to Uganda to fight, to get the resources and get land for settlement, but after all, Museveni and some other peoples helped us to fight for them, and they achieved. There were some political parties that helped us to fight for independence, like Uganda People's Congress, which is known as UPC, like Kabatereine, which is known as KY, and there was an agreement signed in 1900 years ago, which is Namere Agreement.
Thank you. Mtiwa, what do you take of the term independence whenever you hear it?
Independence is the state when a country or an area is free from colonial rule, politically, socially, and economically. It's not controlled by foreign people in the economy. It's not controlled by foreign people in the way they live, and it's not controlled by others in the way of leadership in the area or country. Uganda attained its independence on Monday, 9th October 1962, where the Uganda flag was raised by Major Akarimo Kanuti, who was from the northern region of Uganda. He raised our flag and lowered the Union Jack, showing that Uganda was free from colonial rule.
Thank you. Give your mic to the neighbor. Yes, the one with the mic. What do you take of the term independence, specifically that of Uganda?
As I understand the word independence, independence is the state of being free from colonial rule. Uganda, before it became an independent country, it was first colonized by Britain. Then, how Uganda fought for independence, it was by signing treaties, by forming political parties, and by staging rebellions. Examples of political parties which were formed: Uganda National Congress, UP, which is known as Uganda People's Congress, and Kabatereine.
Thank you. Give your mic to the neighbor. The one with the mic.
Well, to me, independence is a way that a person is allowed to do anything of their will that helps them to feel the way they want to feel. It's like at home, most of the children are not independent, and like in Uganda, most of the children become independent above 18 years of age. As Uganda became independent on 9th October 1962. Before that, when it was still under colonial rule by the British, Uganda was made to do a lot of things. Its resources were taken, a lot of people were displaced, people were killed just because of the resources and getting some colonies in Uganda. But there were those people who came and helped us to gain our independence. Someone like Dr. Milton Obote. Although he wasn't a very good political leader, he did something then. He did a lot to gain our independence, and that's how Uganda became independent.
Thank you. You can tell us about independence.
What I know from independence is the state of being free from oppression, socially, politically, and economically. Back before I was born, there were many rebellions that were staged because the local chiefs did not know that the whites wanted land and other resources from them. So at first they collaborated, but then some of the chiefs and local leaders resisted. In the 1900, there was a Namirembe agreement that was signed so that Uganda could get its independence. Many political parties were formed so that Uganda would demand for its independence. One of them is UPC, which is called Uganda People's Congress, YK, Kabatereine.
Thank you. Declan,
Yes.
you can give us your thought on the independence of Uganda. You have already talked. You can tell us once more.
Like at our school, like P7 members in our class were saying Happy Independence Day, but in my opinion, it's like a happy birthday for Uganda, as if today it was the day when Uganda was born, but they always say it's an Independence Day. Like in our school, teachers always teach us about independence. They always say that people fought, people died, but they always say that Museveni fought for us and he struggled to fight for us and we be free from colonial rule.
Thank you. Mtiwa, do you think we need to be independent rather than the country? Us as kids now, we come to our own perspective as pupils of Kabatereine Memorial. Are we independent?
No, we are not independent because we are controlled politically, because we are given the rules and regulations to follow so that we can be nurtured properly. We are not independent economically because we cannot work money, so our parents provide everything that we have. So in my opinion, as children we should stay the way we are until we grow up to the age at which we can provide every basic need that we need and become independent.
Thank you. Give the mic to the neighbor. Do you think you're independent at home and at school, or you need to be more independent than you are right now?
Well, to me, at home, I'm not that independent, but I like the way the freedom, the amount they give me is enough. But to some schools, there is when freedom becomes too much that it even leads to spoiling of some children and other children getting lost, misplaced. Like in some homes, thereby, like you find in some families, there are no rules, there are no regulations. Parents do what they want, children do what they want. Well, to me, I think that some rules should be kept in a family, but until the perfect time to when those children grow up and reach the age that they can provide their own basic needs, do everything they want, and also care for other people, that's when we should be granted with independence.
Thank you. The one at the left of Mtiwa, you think you are independent at home and at school, or you think there is something that should be rectified for you to be more free?
I think the independence I have, it's enough because I get the basic needs I need, like the resources they give me at home or at school, they are enough because like the amount of the independence they give me, it's enough. So even the disadvantages of being too independent, they may lead to school dropout. Like you do what you want, your parents let you do what you want. That's not how it should be. There should be some rules and regulations to guide us as children until we reach the age that we can support ourselves and even make our own families to support them.
Thank you. Give the mic to the neighbor. Tell us whether you're free in your community, at home, and even at school.
I'm not that free, but the freedom I get is enough for me, because too much freedom is bad for people. Most people, when they get too much freedom, they start doing reckless activities. But to me, the freedom I get is enough for me. That's all.
Thank you. Declan?
Yes.
Are you independent?
No, at home, what I know about my parents, they always tell me rules and regulations. And that, like Sarah said, I normally see some children go at night, go in bars. They don't care about their lives. I'm advising parents, children, to always take care of your children. They are more important in the future. Like me, they don't allow me to get out of home until I go with somebody to protect me. They should not even let you free from home. They should keep you home and you learn more things to do in the future.
Thank you very much. I think if there isn't something that you'd like to say before you leave, I will thank you for checking on us. Always keep it at Sky TV, and you can tell all those people out there, the parents and the relatives, that Sky TV is live and clear in Mbarara, and we do things to do with education and some other kids programs. Even if you have something to say, you can pass by and greet on us. You can say hello to your parents or relatives, like 1 or 2, and then we close.
So I am sending my greetings to my mom, my dad, and my grandparents out there. Though they are struggling for me to get my school fees and all the basic needs I have, they are my heroes. They give me the independence that I need and require for me to have a very good life.
Thank you very much.
To whoever I know or whoever knows me out there, I would like to thank you for supporting me all the way through. That I'm here to talk about Uganda's independence and everything that it has done to improve all the children. All the parents out there, all the guardians, I request you to please protect your children. Too much independence can be bad for them, so I'm requesting you to put some rules that can help them stay in school, be good children, responsible. And I dedicate this to and greet my mother, my father, and my brothers and my siblings, and thanks to the teachers who taught me and having the opportunity to come at Sky TV. Thank you.
Meanwhile, do we have any candidate here?
Yes.
Oh, success in advance. Until I have already talked, you can let the other one say something. Send your greetings.
Well, my greetings. I greet my mom, my brothers, my sisters, my dad, and whoever knows me. I say hi to you. But the advice I'm giving to whoever you know that you're in that community and you're a parent, I request you to give rules and regulations, guide your children, especially girls children. You should protect them because there are bad people over there who want to destroy our future, us as girls. Even boys, they are starting to kidnap them, like they kill you for no good reason. So if you're a parent there, I request you to guide your children and don't give them too much freedom because it has its disadvantages and there are very many. So thank you for listening to me, and I thank Sky TV for giving me the opportunity to share what I had with you. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
I'm thankful to be here right now because most people have not made it. Here, but me, I'm here. So because of my parents, my mom, my dad, and other relatives of mine, I thank them for providing me the basic needs that I require. They have given me most things, and I thank Sky TV for giving me this honor to be here.
Thank you very much, Jacqueline.
I'm greeting my parents, my father, my brothers, and all people who love me, all of you. I'm sending this advice to all girls. All girls, men are there waiting for you, but I'm begging you to protect yourselves. There are some women who get out in schools. Some schools, they go in darkness and they do whatever they want and they get pregnant. And when they reach home, their parents beat them to go outside the school. If you want that life, I'm begging you, please don't be lied by men or please. And I know that some people, some girls, when they say they have reached at the age of 18, they already say that I'm free from colonial rule of my parents. No, it does not matter that you are free from colonial rule. You should hear about your parents. You should abstain from sex until marriage. Those are the advice I gave to you.
Thank you very much. Ebyo byabye biteekateeko by'ensinganto kirkwetwa independence ningasho kwetegeka bakihayo ko omwihanga lyona bakireta omu maka gaabo nibagira ngu n'ekintu kikuru munonga okurebeka ngo omwana yatungwa okuba mutegeka bakamuzibira kugira ebyakora